sa auto, ano rin makita.
Every sunny matter under heaven.
So, katot ipa-undergo ta sa Ginoo ba. Nabot batas ang kausaban. Imagine ninyo mga kaisunan, si Moses ang nag-lead atong previous generation outside sa Egypt. So they're expecting that this kind of leader would lead them exactly to the vision. And we thank you for letting us go through it because by going
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!